Hi everyone, we are here with a new video on how to display keyboard strokes on your screen as shown in the above image. First we will go to Google and download software called Carnac. Open the first website. Now scroll down and click on Download for Windows. Once it is downloaded, go to Downloads in File Explorer and extract the files. Now go to the extracted folder and open Carnac software. Once you open the app, customize the position for where the keystrokes are to be displayed according to your convenience. Once you've finished customizing the position, click on Save. Now go to the Appearance section on the top where you can customize the colors and size of the keyboard strokes. You can change the background color, font color and font size as your wish. Don't forget to save when you are done with it. You can see that the keystrokes are displayed on the screen. Hope you all enjoyed this video. Like, share and subscribe to our channel for more such interesting videos. If you have any queries, leave them in the comments.